Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Sheena Chakta Shathi. Welcome to my channel. I am going to show you some first factorization trick that will help you solve algebra problem in second. Let's get started. Today we will learn first quadratic expression. First quadratic expression. Okay. First quadratic expression. Okay, that's mean split the middle term. Okay, split the middle term. So split the middle term into two numbers whose product is the last term is 6 and sum is the middle term 5. Okay, let's see one example at first. S square plus 5x plus 6. So split the middle term into two numbers, that's mean two numbers whose product is last term is 6 and sum is the middle term 5. So 6, so we factorize 3 to the 6. So we have two product, that's mean 3 to the 6 and sum 3x plus 2x. So now arrange this one, 3x plus 2x. Now x common, so x plus 3 and in this term common 2, so x plus 3. So x plus 2 and x plus 3. See, this term is same. We have to check this term is same. So now you can see the factors instantly. Okay, this is the answer. So that's all for today's. If you found this helpful, like, share and subscribe for more maths. Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum everyone.